Alright, I'm going to do some transmission service on a 2000 Ranger. It's got the 4-speed, so there's not a drain valve here, so we're going to have to release the bolts, and they're fairly easy to get to, so I don't think there'll be too much of a problem. So let's start releasing the bolts. We're going to take them out, and then we're going to leave one or two in place so that we can drop the pan on one side and we don't have all the liquid falling on us. Okay, I got the bolts loose and it's dripping, if you can tell, into the pan. I'm going to get some of the other bolts out and hopefully we can get it all. Okay, I got all of the screws out, and then I took the 10mm retaining bolt out, and this should just come right down like that. Okay, let's get the new one on then. Okay, I got the new filter on. This one has a sump, so I had to go get a replacement because don't forget to put the 2 O-rings on here, and this one came with a new screw. I got the part from O'Reilly, cleaned up the mounting gasket of all the old material, and then I'm going to mount the rubber now. Okay, what I like to do is I like to take, this is a rubber gasket, and so I take the bolts and I feed it through, and they're tight enough to hold it in place. So now I don't have to worry about gasket alignment, and I don't have to worry about losing the bolts. And so now I'll put it on the bottom of the truck and start tightening. Okay, I'm using the speed wrench here to just put the nuts back in by hand. If you've never used one, it's actually pretty easy. It's one of these things. Okay, it's all manual, so I'm going to go through and just hand tighten all these things because I don't want it to be overly tight. And then we will fill it, and this truck says it takes Mercon V. I'm going to do, and then we'll start with 3 quarts and see, we'll go from there. But that's pretty much it, okay? We'll see you guys again